Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about knob for Nemco part number 45920. The Nemco 45920 is a replacement knob for the Nemco Easy Slicer. It is a black plastic knob with a white indicator line and is used to adjust the thickness of the slices. The knob has a diameter of 1 3/8 inches and is designed to fit the Easy Slicer model 6555A. This knob allows you to easily adjust the thickness of your slices, making it easier to get consistent results every time. The knob also features an adjustable tension screw, which allows you to customize the amount of pressure needed to turn the knob. This ensures that your slices are always cut. This part fixes the following symptoms. This knob is used to replace a broken or worn out knob on a Nemco food slicer. It will help to ensure that the slicer is operating correctly and safely. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing knob from the control shaft. 2. Place the new knob onto the control shaft and secure it with a set screw. 3. Tighten the set screw with a flathead screwdriver until it is snug, but not overly tight. 4. Test the knob to ensure that it is securely attached and that it turns freely on the control shaft. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.pa or TRANSCRIPT to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.